Wish is a mobile shopping app that allows users to browse and purchase products from various categories, including fashion, electronics, home goods, and more. The platform connects buyers with sellers from countries such as China, India, and the United States. How to make money with Wish? As a seller, you can make money on Wish by 1. Sourcing products. Find products at discounted prices from suppliers, wholesalers, or manufacturers. 2. Listing products. Create listings for your products on Wish, including product descriptions, prices, and high-quality images. 3. Marketing and promotion. Use social media, paid advertising, and email marketing to promote your products and attract buyers. 4. Order fulfillment. Ship products to buyers in a timely and efficient manner. Wish's fees and policies. Wish takes a 15% commission on each sale plus a small payment processing fee. Additionally, you're responsible for handling customer service, returns, and refunds. Tips for success. To succeed on Wish, 1. Offer competitive prices. Keep your prices competitive to attract buyers. 2. Provide high-quality products. Ensure your products are authentic, in good condition, and meet customer expectations. 3. Respond to customer inquiries. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and reputation. 4. Monitor and optimize listings. Continuously monitor and improve your listings to increase visibility and conversions. New opportunities in 2024. In 2024, Wish is expected to expand its services, including 1. Increased focus on sustainability. Wish will prioritize eco-friendly packaging and sustainable shipping practices. 2. Improved customer service. Wish will invest in AI-powered chatbots to enhance customer support. 3. Enhanced product categorization. Wish will introduce more detailed product categorization to help buyers find products more easily.